20-minute no running cardio workout. Looking for a fun cardio workout that doesn't involve running? This is it. This 20-minute cardio routine will get your heart pumping and help you burn calories without requiring you to lace up those running shoes. In fact, you don't need any equipment for this workout, meaning you can do it anytime you need a good cardio session on the fly. It's fast, simple, and will leave you feeling awesome. So, ready to get moving? Here's the deal: do each exercise below for 1 minute and go as hard as you can. After all 10 moves, catch your breath and go through the entire sequence again. 1. Jogging in place. A. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. B. Lift one foot and then the other to jog in place, working your legs and increasing your heart rate. 2. Jump rope. A. Start with feet hip distance apart, and arms stretched to the sides like you're holding a jump rope with your hands. B. Circle your hands like you're swinging a jump rope and hop over it to jump rope in place. 3. Skiers. A. Stand with feet together and knees bent, holding bent elbows next to your side. B. Keep feet together and jump turn so hips and toes point right. C. Now jump feet together and turn so hips and toes point left. D. Continue to switch jumping right and left, keeping legs tightly together and arms and waist turning as if you are holding ski poles. 4. Front kicks. A. Stand with feet hip width apart and arms bent and held in front of you. B. Lift right leg up, bending knee slightly, and kick right foot forward. Keep ankle flexed and push through your heel. C. Place the right foot down and switch to the left. D. Continue to repeat for desired amount of time or number or repetitions. 5. Surfer squats. A. Start in a squat position with body facing the side of the room but eyes looking forward. B. Jump a full 180 degrees and land in a squat so that body is now facing the other side of the room. Keep eyes forward. C. Continue to make 180-degree jump turns with eyes looking forward and body staying in squat position. 6. Mountain climbers. A. Start in a plank position with arms and legs long. B. Draw in your abdominals and drive one knee into the chest, then switch legs quickly. Continue with right, left knees running to the chest. Prevent bouncing up and down in your body by keeping abs tight. 7. Jumping jacks. A. Start standing with a slight bend in knees and hands resting on thighs. B. Keeping the knees bent, open the arms and legs out to the sides. Arms come above the head and legs wider than shoulders, then close, returning to your start. 8. Power skips. A. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. B. Lift right knee and spring up off your left foot, hopping into the air. Switch. Continue in a skipping motion in place for desired amount of time. 9. High knees. A. Start standing with feet hip distance apart. B. Lift up right knee as high as it will go and raise the opposite arm, then switch quickly so left knee is up before right foot lands. Continue pulling knees up quickly for as long as desired. 10. Butt kicks. A. Start standing tall and bring one heel off the floor towards your glutes as the opposite hand comes up towards your shoulder like running arms, then switch to the other side. B. This exercise is working your hamstrings, so you should feel this in the glutes and the back of the legs as you pull the heel in. Thanks for watching this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe and like our channel. Press the bell icon for timely information.